From print statements to debugging thousands of GPUs, this is how Anthropic engineers leveled up.
And then I mostly learned from pair programming. Like, Tom Brown had done all this before, so he kind of knew all the stuff quite. And I watched him and was like, oh, no, a debugger is a super useful tool. This person's way faster at debugging things, particularly if it takes a long time to start up the code, which it can.
But as the team grew, new challenges appeared.
The biggest things that have changed have been a little more specialization. I think at the beginning, in the first 3 or 6 months, I tried to read every PR in the code base. And that was great. I knew all the pieces, etc. And as you grow, it's kind of, everything gets a little more precise. People really dial in exactly how attention should work, let's say, or really dial in the parallelism strategy. And you end up with a team where it's a bunch of people who are deep experts on individual things.
And at massive scale, even the computer itself couldn't be trusted.
You end up with a lot of effort has to come from the manager, from the lead, to connect everything. And to notice something if we change the architecture here, that would make this efficiency consideration over there way easier. As you scale up, you have more and more chips, and the failure rate can get larger and larger. My manager looked at it and was like, yeah, probably the computer's wrong. And I was like, that seems unlikely. And sure enough, the computer was wrong. It turned out that the GPU was broken, and we had to pull in a new one. But you have to think, having to think about that, the GPU could be wrong, the GPU could be slow. These sorts of issues, the power supply in the data center could be broken. There's so much more level of depth than you kind of expect to need as a Python programmer.
Want more behind the scenes of Frontier AI? Smash that subscribe and dive deeper with us.